All right, so in this video, I have a couple Adidas employee store pickups as well as some Nike outlet store pickups. And I wanted to show you guys what I purchased. Let's go ahead and get into the video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description and happy shopping. I try to curate the list every single week to let you guys know of the best sneaker deals that I can find out there. But in this video, some pickups that I got locally, and I wanted to just share with you guys what they were. So first things first, we'll start off with the Nike stuff. And I actually went to the Nike factory store in Portland, Oregon off of MLK. Anybody that comes to Portland, if you guys just go to that store, it's definitely worth checking it out. They usually have some pretty good deals, and it's extra special when they have that added 20% off, which I always love to see. They had a bunch of cool random things in the store. Nothing that really caught my eye except for this pair that I ended up buying that I'll show you in a second. But really, they had just a bunch of random shoes in the store. Nothing too amazing, but the hash wall was an extra 20% off, so definitely something that is noteworthy. They did also have a couple pairs that I had my eye on. I just want to wait, and hopefully next time I go back, they'll have them at a discounted price. You never really know what you're going to find. The other week, I actually went to the Woodburn store and shopped around there as well. And for the most part, the Woodburn store was pretty dry as well. They did have a pair of React Element 55s though that I almost bought. I don't think that they were discounted though. At the end of the day, it's all good. I ended up getting a really good buy from the MLK store. But bringing you guys back here, this is what I ended up picking out in this bag. I also got two pairs for the little girl because, you know, it's always fun to be able to buy the little daughter some things. So showing you guys these. Harrison absolutely loved these. They're the best shoes for kids, basically, in my opinion. I definitely highly recommend these because retail price is usually about $46 on these. But I got these from the Nike outlet for $20. So anytime I can find them for like 20 bucks, or I think the lowest I got them was like $15 or $17 or something like that. I usually buy a couple different sizes in these because the kids will love these in every single size that they have. Harrison's had these from little feet all the way up now to 10C. So he's had multiple pairs through because he just wears these things into the ground, and they're super easy to put on. You literally just throw their feet in and then throw down the strap right here. You don't have to lace anything. And then I also bought a larger pair in a size 8, as you can see. So the big thing that I ended up getting though was this pair here. And you can see the price point right here was $35.97. That's what I paid for these shoes. So retail price, $150. This is an Air Max pair of sneakers, and these are them. So I ended up getting a pair of Air Max 90 NS GPXs for only $35.97. I actually like the Air Max 90 better than the Air Max 1s or the 97s even. So they've kind of lost their luster in a lot of people's eyes because they really released these nonstop year after year after year. But this colorway honestly was not one that I was feeling. It's not one that I was like, I have to have this shoe once it released, because for $150, I was like, there's no way I'm buying this shoe. Even at the employee store with 40% off, I was just like, it's not really attractive to me. It's not worth buying. But at $36 though, it literally changes everything. I'm like, yes, that's an absolute must cop for me. So I got these. I actually have a plan to hydro dip these as well. I've been going hydro dip crazy, but I want to do the floral print, or actually I have this really crazy idea of a print that will look pretty wild on top of this that I think would work really well. So I might actually end up doing that to this shoe instead, just because I thought it would be fun to be able to just add a crazy pattern so it's not just all one uniform vibrant color. But the pattern that I'm going to use, I think this is going to be a perfect underlay of that pattern. So really looking forward to seeing how this turns out. And at the end of the day, it was a $36 purchase to make a fun custom for myself and make it a little bit more unique. I think that is a win in my book. But would you guys buy these for $36 or not though? Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. Materials are interesting. It's like a hyperfuse upper through pretty much the entire thing. Like this is all hyperfuse. And then there's a little bit of like a neoprene material across the toe area, and then also back around here. And that neoprene type material is also on the tongue. On the flip side, it's just a mesh liner. And it's a mesh liner on the insole too, which is kind of interesting. But white midsole, white air pocket, black outsole, and then the branding is even in the hyperfuse in Nike Air on the back. And hyperfuse swooshes here. You really can't see anything. And I kind of liked it. Then of course you have the big obnoxious Air Max logo on the side. So I'd love to be able to take that off or change that, but I think it'll be fine though when I do my custom. I don't know quite what I'm going to do with this. I could do the midsole only. I could do the upper only. Leave some comments if you have suggestions of what you guys would like to see. As soon as I walked in and saw these, I knew I was going to buy these. Retail again, $150, and then Here's the box for those that want to see it. I got a size 10 because I actually like the way these fit with a 10 instead of a 9.5. Moving on. And so now in the Adidas bag, I got a couple pairs of shoes for some more customs, of course. And we got some oldies but goodies, as I like to say with these. And these are obviously some Ultra Boost. And so I ended up purchasing 2 different colorways for some potential customs in the future. I actually have never had this one. I thought that I had this one. I had the 3.0 but not the 4.0. And I actually really like this black one. Black outsole, just white. Midsole, black cage, black heel cup. Pretty much triple black everything except for the outsole here. So you could do a triple black custom to this if you wanted to. Or I'm going to actually do something a little bit different. I'm going to actually wrap this Boost in some sort of a hydro dip, and I don't know what. I'm not sure what pattern I'm going to do on this one. Definitely open to suggestions as well. Leave them in the comment section, and I'll do a tutorial video on when I actually make this into the custom that I create. I do want to do a galaxy print here. I think that would be kind of cool. But I also bought a Clima pair that has a cage here and here that is white with an all black upper that I plan on doing the galaxy on already. So this, I'm not sure what I'm going to do this. I could do green or blue flames, or I really honestly don't know. But I think that it will be fun for me to be able to try something different. And these ones are readily available, which I've liked. These have been available since the beginning release of the 4.0s, and I'm happy about it because I was able to buy these fairly easy, even from the employee store a year later. So the other pair that I bought is another pair of the triple white. So I actually already have this one. The one that I have has the gold stripes on it right now from Boosted Stripes, but I wanted another pair that's clean and brand new to go ahead and try to customize again. So I think this one was going to be fun. If you saw the very first video I did the hydro dip, I did a flower print first on the side of here and here, and it looked crazy vibrant. It also took to the prime knit, but it wasn't as vibrant as obviously on the heel cups and the Boost. So for this pair, I actually want to make it a little bit better. I want to just do the cage and the heel cup and potentially the Boost in some sort of a pattern. I think I might just do the cage and the heel cup and tape everything else off, and then make some sort of a fun look out of that. So I'm not sure, again, print-wise, what I'm going to do. I have a couple in mind that I think would be really wicked on this one. You guys might see some of the prints recycled because honestly, I just really like some of the patterns, and why not expand that to other models if I can. So stay tuned for some custom videos hopefully soon, but 3 more pairs for customs. There's going to be a lot of them hopefully on this channel in the next handful of months. I just plan on doing a lot of them. Hopefully I can get at least one a week done. It's just fun for me to be able to do. If hopefully you guys like them, but regardless, it's just something that I'm passionate about and fun to be able to create something unique for myself. So that's mainly the reason why I'm doing it. Also, I want to be able to do it on a couple models that's repeatable. That way I can buy some of these in larger sizes and smaller sizes and actually do the customs on videos and gift them to random subscribers. So that's something I also plan on doing once I can kind of perfect it and make it look good and that it's durable and all those other things. So it's consumable for you guys out there, and then I can actually do some for you guys for free and just give them away in videos. I don't plan on doing customs for people to actually have them send me shoes and then send them the shoes back customized. It's not really something that I'm interested in doing right now. Maybe in the future, but as of right now, I literally don't have the bandwidth to do so. So maybe something again in the future, but yeah, not for now. But that is the total of everything that I picked up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Anyways, leave a comment in the comment section. What is the greatest sneaker find recently that you guys have picked up or saw in the stores, outlets, online, or whatever it might be? Leave some comments. Let me know what you guys saw. Because this for $36 to me was just like, I just love it. I think that this was a great deal for the price point. $150, not so much. Still a great looking shoe, I guess. But the shoe looks a lot better the cheaper it becomes. I wish everything in life was like that, right? But anyway, have a good rest of the day. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Notification bell if you want to be notified of when my videos go live. And at this time, if you guys want to click any of the other videos on my screen, feel free to do so. Have a good rest of the day, guys. Peace.